Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you like this video and I hope this would be informative to you in the year 2025. So basically, do you want to apply for a provisional driving license in the UK and how it can help you? A provisional license is a learner's driving license in the UK. It allows you to start learning to drive a car, ride a moped like a battery bicycle or a motorbike. To apply, you must be at least 15 years and 9 months old. Second, to be able to read a number plate from 20 meters away. And the third and the last is that you should be living in Great Britain or the Northern Ireland. So if you type first provisional in the UK, then the top first link, which is apply for your first provisional driving license, and then you can see the requirements for provisional license: 15 years, 20 meters distance, and the third is very important point, that you should be living in the UK for at least 185 days. You cannot apply on a tourist or student visa like visitor visa. Just make sure you keep that in mind. £34 fees which you need to make a payment of could be 34, and you can pay it with debit or credit card. Also, the fee for offline is 43 plus £5 post office charge, so that will be somewhere around £50 offline. And yep, let's go start the application process. So before you start, make sure you get all of these documents and the information ready with you. Without this, it's no point of going forward. Also, the PRP card, which has been expired since 31st of December 2024, they are not valid anymore anywhere. So it's all e-visa now, and you can have your e-visa number on the UK visa website. You can get your e-visa number from there, not the work one, but the status of residence. Do not write the work visa number. Write the number which starts with S. That's share code. Okay, and your national insurance number, you should be having it. And yep, continue. You have been issued with a provisional license before? No. If you haven't been, press no. Then I'm living in England, so you choose accordingly. So let's choose England for me because I'm living here. Continue. So before you continue, if you can just use the same device. Okay. Yes, it should be yes. Are you currently disqualified? If you are not disqualified, then press no. Can you meet the legal eyesight, which is like 20 meters? If you meet the criteria, then press yes. Continue. And make sure you don't fall any of these medical conditions. Press no. Continue. And now finally, so you can either press I do not want an account, and if you press that option, so it will definitely take you to the option of the old driving license online application method, which I don't advise you to use. But as I have already applied for my provisional license, I cannot use the new service to show you how to go beyond that option. But if you want to use this, you can use this as well. It's little bit of complications, but it's okay, you can use that as well. So basically I'll just go back and just show you till here that you don't have to do any much more things after this. You just need to fill your date of birth and your place of living and everything, just few steps more, and then you pay the fee online, which is £34. And for my personal case, it took me around 15 to 20 days for whole process, including the receiving of the driving license as well, the provisional green card for the driving license. And you guys can also go for the even offline application form, which are available in the post office. Just take £50 in cash if you are ready for the application the same day. There's a booklet inside the envelope even. You can read that out and fill it out on your own. It's not very complicated or a rocket science thing. So if I go back after you apply for like after you pay the fee and everything, so yes, you're ready to be receiving. Just guys, make sure you fill out your personal details correctly. That might delay your application if you make any mistake by any chance. Also, just use the same website. I will share the link in my description as well, so that you don't get yourself into any scam or fake website. And I wish you all the best for your provisional driving license application. I hope this video helped you in any way possible, and thank you for watching the video, guys. If you need any help, just comment down. I'll be more than happy to share.